Balloons go up, the fun begins. Our smile so bright, let's all join in. A cake and laughter everywhere. With Cheri's touch, there's magic in the air. Let's celebrate, it's party time. Cheri makes it all so fine. Colorful, joyful, full of cheer. The best events are happening here. Though dancing feet and happy sounds, little giggles all around, and games to play and dreams come true. Cheri's magic is just for you. New table set with love and care, pretty ribbons everywhere, sparkling lights, a wondrous scene. Every party feels like a dream. Sing along, it's time to cheer. Dance with friends, the fun is here. Every moment, pure delight. Cheri makes your day so bright. Make a wish and blow away. Candles glow, it's your big day. And play from start to end. With Cheri's touch, the joy won't end. Let's celebrate, it's party time. Cheri makes it all so fine. Colorful, joyful, full of cheer. The best events are happening here.
Hi guys! It's me again, Mommy Cheri, and welcome back to our channel. Today, i-share ko sa inyo ang isa sa pinaka-colorful naming setup this month. Ito ay ginawa namin last April 30 sa SM Aura for the closing ceremony ng Mary's Orchards Learning Center. Special to kasi repeat client namin sila and sobrang nakakatuwa kasi they trusted us again for this big event. Nagsimula kami with a big stage, 8 by 24 feet ang backdrop, kaya kailangan talagang malakas ang impact. Wala namang specific theme, ang gusto lang ni client ay colorful and happy vibes, kaya we went for a school-friendly kiddie setup. Naglagay kami ng custom printed backdrop sa gitna with the event title, tapos sa baba nilagyan namin ng crayon standees. Super bagay sa school event, diba? Para mas magical, ginamit namin yung collapsible castle namin sa left side, and then sa kabila, nilagyan namin ng collapsible rainbow art. These two props always bring life to the stage. Madali silang i-assemble pero ang laki ng impact. Tapos, naglagay din kami ng rainbow arcs and syempre, a cute smiling sun cutout para mas cheerful ang vibes. Sa balloons naman, we use the full rainbow palette from red, orange, yellow hanggang violet. Group sila per color para may smooth gradient yung look. And gumamit din kami ng mix ng regular and metallic balloons para may texture. Balloons go up, the fun begins. Our smile so bright, let's all join in. A cake and laughter everywhere. Yung blue and purple balloon cloud effect sa right side. Ayan, parang dreamy clouds beside the sun. Joyful, full of cheer. The best events are happening here. One of my favorite parts dito sa setup na to ay yung grass mat flooring. Nilatag namin siya sa buong stage para may fresh and clean look. Parang outdoor school ceremony kahit indoor. Sobrang ganda rin sa picture lalo na kapag naka full view ang stage. Ang fulfilling itong event na to kasi ang saya ng feedback ng client. They were really happy and they even gave us a tip bilang appreciation. Nakakataba ng puso, promise. Masarap sa feeling na part ka ng ganitong milestone para sa mga bata at sa school. Kaya thank you so much to Mary's Orchards Learning Center for trusting events by Cheri again. Sana next year makasama ulit kami sa celebration nyo. At sa lahat ng nanonood, if you'd like this video, please follow us for more party styling content. DIY ideas, behind the scenes, and real clients events. This has been Cheri and thank you for watching.
The best events are happening here. Let's celebrate, party time. Cheri makes it all so fine. Colorful, joyful, full of cheer. The best events are happening here.